Hello everyone, my name is Neef Khilan. I study in class 7F in Techno India Group Public Schools, Liguri, and today I am going to show you how to make a Corona Warriors game in Scratch 3.0. It is very easy and simple also to make a Corona Warriors game in Scratch. So let's see what are the needs to make our Corona Warriors game. So first of all, as we know that we need to take the sprites. Over here I have taken 5 sprites, and you might be thinking that I have taken the virus and the Robo Warrior from the Google or the vaccine from the Google, but it's not. I have taken all the things from the Scratch only. I'll tell you from where I have taken all this. So as you know, we click over here to see all the sprites. So now when you search over here about the Kiran, you search for Kiran. I'll also search for you all. So you see, this is only our Robo Warriors. Now you might be thinking the half body of the Robo Warrior is not there. So it is very simple to put the to remove their body from the Robo Warrior. How you can do is that you see we have got, you see there are blue lines, and whenever we click on it, then there is an option called delete. As you click on the delete option, each and everything will be deleted. Okay, so like this. And now you might be thinking that from where I have taken this virus. It's also simple. You can take the ball. This is the ball which I have taken, and after I have took this ball, then I have gone to this costumes tab, and over here you can see that I have used this paint option from the brush, and you can feel the color from here. You can choose the red color over here, and you can just spot it over here, so like it will look like a virus. So, and these threes are just to duplicate. If you don't know how to duplicate, let me show you. From here you can duplicate these things, and the code will be also duplicated, so no worries that you have to write the codes again. You can just duplicate it and use them also. Now you might be thinking that from where I have taken this virus. Okay, let me show you. So when you come to the search option, then search for button. As you search, then you see this button 2. Over here you see there is a blue button. I have taken it. After I took, then I wrote in the button as vaccine. Okay, from where you will write the vaccine? You will write it from the text option present over here. Now as we do so, what we have to do is that now after we know about the sprites, now it is important to know the back side of the sprite. Yes, there will be double role for each and every sprites. Like I have took the Robo Warrior as double character. So you see there are 2 images of it. When it will be infected by the virus, then it will change its color to red, and normally when it will get the vaccine, then it will be at its normal color. Okay, so now you see like this, and then we have the backdrop also. So here you see there are 2 backdrops written over here only. So when I go to the backdrop, you see there are 2 backdrops also. One is the start backdrop and one is the game over. In the start you have to do nothing, but in the second one, what you have to do is that you have to write you are infected, don't panic, quarantine yourself, we wish Robo Warrior healthy recovery. Okay, this is the dialogue which will be coming after you are infected with the virus. Okay, so you might be thinking that from where I have taken this both. So it is also very easy. You see from the start, I have right click the mouse button, and you see there is a duplicate option. You can duplicate from there also. No need to take other backdrops. You can do it in one backdrop only. Now we have completed this. Now let's see the codes for each and every sprites. So you see there are many codes for this Robo Warrior because it is the main character in our game. So I will be showing you, so you see properly. So this is the first one. So you see from here we started, and when I scroll it over here, you see the last part. Like this we did. Okay, and there is one more code at the down also. You see, this is the code. You write this one, and you might be thinking the codes are too big. Don't worry, it is also easy, as we are doing duplicate part. So over here also we will be doing duplicate. So how to do duplicate? Again, you can right click on this, and you see there is a duplicate option. You can use that. Just you have to change this left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, down arrow, and you can change its change X or Y, and you can just add plus and minus. Okay, that's it. Now, as you saw the first and the second code partitions, so now this is the third one. And after you see the third one, there is one more code, which is the fourth one. You see over here, let me scroll it up so you can see. Now this is done. We have saw the every codes of the Robo Warrior. Now we will go to the virus. So the virus are not having much codes, but this much only. And I have duplicated, so all the codes will be remaining same. But you see there I have changed its X and Y position. It will be changing because I don't need that all the viruses, like I have taken 3 viruses, all the viruses will be in a particular place only. They will not move away. So I have taken the X and the Y position different from each other. You see? So over here also you see the move steps also. Here I have taken 3.5 and here I have taken 4. You can take yours also, and you see over here also, go to X I have taken 0 and Y as minus 140, and move steps like 3 steps. Okay. Now see the vaccine. Vaccine is also having a little code. So you see there is this much only, and I have used motion code much. So now this is the code. Let's see the background code. So let me change the background to start because I don't want to show it in the front. So you see this is only the code. Okay, now you might be thinking that where I have got the sound effects. Sounds is also easy. You see there is a sound option. You will click on this sound tab, and when you click on it, then choose a sound. First of all, I have taken head shake. When you search over here, suppose let us search for it, head shake. You choose it and the put where I have shown in the codes part, and just utilize it. And one more thing, in the backdrop you see that I have taken a play sound also, Pursuit. This is not from the scratch. I have taken it from other website. Okay, so you can take your sounds also. You can see like that the gaming part, adventurous gaming part, I need the sounds. You can search in the Googles and you will get it. Okay, now you have seen each and everything. You know how to minimize the size. As you see over here, it is written as size. When you click on it, whichever size is preferred by you, you can choose the size also. Here I have taken the Robo Warrior as 50, virus as 50, then again the virus is 50, then the vaccine is 40. Okay, so like this I have utilized it. Now let us know the main concept of our Corona Warriors game. The main concept is to stay indoors. So the Robo Warriors is going outside. As you see, if the virus, the coronavirus, if it's attack to the Robo Warrior, then it will be quarantined. And if he dies, then he will suffer, and he will give this virus, and he will spread this virus to other people also who are in the touch of the Robo Warrior. So it is very much essential to stay indoors and not to go out like Robo Warrior. And if he go out, then you see that the virus has attacked him, and his health over here, you see there is a health option also. His health is decreasing and it's being red. Red means fever. Okay, so now let us talk about the variables of our game. Here you see there is a variable. Total I have taken 4 variables. You can choose your variable from make a variable. From here also we select our variables. So I have chosen health, my variable, score, speed. So what is the use of this variable is that that it helps in understanding the codes. Okay, so all the variables are shown over here, but if you don't want to show that, you can just click on this option you see over here. Now the score is showing. When I click on it, then it disappears. When I click again, then it again shows. Like that only I have removed the speed and the my variable because I don't want to show it. Okay, so we have learned about the codes, then we have learned about the designation, then we have also learned about the variables and the sound effect also. Now let us learn about how to play. So this will particularly work with your keyboards, up, down, right and left arrows. We see in our keyboard. So with this we can play and we will be safe if it doesn't touch the virus. The virus will be at a long speed and we have to reach the vaccine. The vaccine will repel us like a magnet, but we have to reach the vaccine to save the Robo Warrior. Let's play it right now and see whether it is working properly or not. So let's get started. So this is a full screen, you can do it from here, and obviously if you want to play then you have to press on this green flag. It is very essential to press it. Now let us play this game without wasting any of our time. You see it has been red because I have touched by the coronavirus, but I need to go to the vaccine because it is repelling. I have to touch it. As you see, my health is decreasing, but as soon as I touch the vaccine, I'm again in my normal color. I need to say the Robo Warrior. You see, I'm in the normal color, but as soon as I get the vaccine, the virus also attacks on me. So you see, the normal color is over there, and I need to escape from it so that the virus couldn't attack on me. You see, the virus are also too fast, and I'm getting the score also. You see, again I am infected. My health is decreasing. I don't know what to do. Now after a health issue, then the notification will come. You see, now the notification has come. You see a sound that has come, and you see our health is 48, which is very low, and our Robo Warrior has been infected with the coronavirus. He got the vaccine, but he didn't stay at his home. He came out and fight against the virus, and that's why he is under the quarantine. So you are infected, don't panic, quarantine yourself. We wish Robo Warrior healthy recovery. So like this, I have made this game easily. You can also make it. It is very easy to make this game in Scratch 3.0, and if you use a offline version of Scratch 3.0, then it's also good. So next is how to save this project. To save it, go to the file option and you can save it from your computer. Let's go to this option and you see we can save it from here. So I have already saved it. So this was a video on where I tell you about how to make a Corona Warriors game in Scratch 3.0. Hope that you all enjoyed this video, and stay indoors, stay healthy, stay with your families, and don't panic. So thank you.